I do for you?
Orion Star Company Introduction.
Orion Star Robotics is a world-leading robotics company, providing intelligent solutions across over 20 scenarios since 2016.
Voice Capability Introduction.
Greeting Bot Nova is equipped with ChatGPT, Google Dialog, and Orion Star LLM technology. Greeting Bot Nova seamlessly facilitates voice interactions in over 30 minutes.
Show me around.
All right, please follow me. Orion Star has fully self-developed full-chain artificial intelligence technologies such as voice interaction, image recognition, and visual navigation. It integrates product development capabilities and technical application capabilities. Orion Star Robotics.
Take me to the meeting room.
All right, please follow me. Here is the meeting room. I'm going back.